So I'll excuse that while we talk over it. Worked on the Fiat today. Went over and picked up some parts that I found on Craigslist. Actually, I think it's Facebook Marketplace, neither here or there. But we picked up the radiator support, radiator, condenser, the fans. Like I said, when we bought this car off of Copart, everything was missing. We saw the pictures, there were pieces in the car, but when they delivered, or when we picked up the car, they were all gone. So we had to start over. So we did get the front bumper cover. The guy that we picked up the parts, he had already sold the hood and the headlights, so that's okay. We ordered two new headlights, and we haven't ordered the hood yet. I'm gonna go check on that tomorrow. So I was hoping when I picked up the car that, or the bumper, that the reds were pretty close, but as you can see, they're not even close. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do. I'm pretty sure that we're not going to sell the car, so I might just throw a front end cover on it to just cover it and go from there. I really don't think I want to paint this bumper. It's kind of not super shaped. It was silver. They painted it red, and then I would end up painting it red again. So I think this is where we're going to leave it for right now. I got to go get my hood. I'll wait for the headlights to come in probably in a couple of days, and then we got to wrap the hood, and we'll see you then. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe, leave us a comment if you want. This is our first time. Be gentle, be nice. If not, please don't leave one. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.